Ipinagluto ng actor-director na si Coco Martin at Julia Montes ang veteranong aktor at director na si Michael de Mesa para sa birthday nito kamakailan. Sa pamamagitan ng Instagram post, ibinahagi ni Michael de Mesa kung gaano ka-thoughtful sina Coco Martin at Julia Montes at ipinagluto at ipinaghanda siya nito para sa kanyang birthday kamakailan. When your closest friends go above and beyond to throw you a birthday dinner. They not only hosted but also took the time to cook for me. I'm deeply touched by their thoughtfulness and generosity. Maraming salamat at Coco Martin_PH, at Montes Julia 08 and Chef at I am Regia Spurs for making my day so special. Pinasalamatan din ng veteranong aktor at director ang mag-asawang John Prats at Isabel Oli, gayon din sina Raymart Santiago, John Estrada at Albert Martinez na naki-celebrate sa kanya. Thank you also at John Prats at Isabella Prats, Raymart Santiago at John Estrada __ at Albert Martinez for celebrating with me. Love you guys, sabi pa ni Michael.